Students, I am showing you one video clip from where you all can see, you all can come to know how we can switch on our computer and how we can turn off or shut down our computer. Okay, students, you will be able to know that what are the steps, what are the basic steps to turn on the computer and turn off the computer. Beta, I am muting everybody of you. Now my voice will be clear. Just wait. Now it will be clear, beta. I am showing you one video clip from where you can see how you can turn on your computer and turn off your computer. Have a look on the video clip, beta.
Hi Grandma, what are you searching for?
Hello, Jia. Thank God you are here. How do I start this computer? I want to see my granddaughter Chimu's photo. It's there on this computer.
Sure Grandma, I will teach you how to start the computer. To start a computer, first you need to press the power switch. Then switch on the UPS. Now you can see the green light is blinking on the UPS. UPS is an electrical device which helps the computer to run for a short period of time when there is a power failure. It also prevents the computer from unexpected power disruption.
Yes, I can see the light blinking. But the computer is still not switched on.
Not yet. We have 2 more steps to start a computer. Now, press the power button on the CPU to turn it on.
Yes, Jia. A blue light is blinking on the CPU.
This means the CPU is on. Next, switch on the monitor. Ta-da! The computer is on.
Okay, but the monitor screen is still dark. Why? Did we miss out any step?
It will take few minutes for the computer to switch on. Here, now you see the computer screen. This screen is called as desktop. On the left bottom corner of the desktop, you can see the start button.
Yes, I can see the start button on the desktop. Thank you, Jia. Now, can you show me Chimu's pictures?
Chimu is so cute.
Thank you, Jia. Now I know how to start a computer. But how do I shut it down? Can I directly switch off the switch?
No, you should not shut down the system by directly switching off the power switch. It may harm the computer.
First, you need to move the mouse to bring the pointer of the mouse on the Windows button. Then click the left button of the mouse.
Then move the mouse until the pointer is on the shutdown button. Now click the left button of the mouse. The computer is shutting down. Once the monitor becomes dark, switch off the monitor switch.
Jia, do we need to switch off the CPU also?
No, Grandma, that's not needed. Once we shut down the computer, the CPU automatically gets switched off. Then we need to switch off the UPS and finally switch off the power switch. That's all, Grandma. We have shut down a computer.
Thank you so much, Jia. I think now I can start and shut down the computer without any help.
You are welcome, Grandma. Let us summarize what you have learned in this video.
So students, I hope you have understood how we can turn on the computer and how we can turn off the computer, how we can shut down the computer. I hope everybody of you have understood it. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good,
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Very good. Okay, so now students,
Yes,
what I'm
ma'am.
going to do with you now, I'm going to share one screen from where you will be able to know how we can resize the window.
Ma'am, yours is not clear.
Now my voice is clear.
चार्ज नहीं हो रहा
Okay.
मैम
So students, better now I'm going to tell you that how you can resize your window. I'm showing you one screen. From there you can understand how we can resize the window. Just wait.
again
जाती थी कितनी देर में आ गई
ma'am please unmute again
Just wait. Just wait.
please muted all the participants.
Okay, okay, wait. I'm muting everybody of you. Just wait.
और हाँ फिर पढ़ना पड़ता है क्लास में उसके बाद
Okay. So students, everybody of you are muted now. Now I'm going to share one screen with you, and from there I will show you how I can resize my window. Yashi Singh, please stand up and concentrate, bete. See students, this is my screen. This is my Word screen, Word window. Okay, how I will resize it. See, can you all see the 3 control buttons over here where I am marking down? This is minimize. This is minimize button. Then this is maximize. You all can see where I'm writing maximize, and the last one is close. The process of close. Now students, you can see this where I have done the marking. See where my pointer is going. This one is of maximize, this one is of minimize. Then the between one is maximize and the last one is close. Okay. Now when I will click on minimize button, my window will go down. Just see, I'm clicking on the minimize button. Just wait, I'm clicking on minimize button. When I will click on minimize, my window will be going down. See, window gone disappears. Window is disappeared now, right? And again, when I click here, the window is appeared. Okay. In this way, we can maximize and minimize and maximize it. Now, when I will click on maximize, my window will become shorter. I will click on maximize, my window will become shorter. See, the window has become shorter. My screen is short now. The window screen is shorter. ये छोटी हो गई है. Now what I can do, I can drag my window from here to there. I will see my pointer. Where is my mouse pointer going on? I will click on this, on the title bar of my window where the document 1 word is written. I will click here, and while clicking the mouse, I will drag my mouse and I will take my window to wherever I want to take in this way, and I will leave the mouse button. I will be clicking it from my left button of the mouse. Okay, students? And again, when I will go on maximize, again when I will click here, it will get larger. It will come to its original position. Okay, so this is minimize I have told you, maximize I have told you. Let's comes to close. Now when I will click on close, my screen will get closed. My window will get closed. It will go down. It will get closed. See, my window is closed now. So I can see you all back here. So I hope you have understood. Students, is it clear to everybody?